Asheli from Rutreat Reviews, and today we are unboxing Rutreat. So this is a snack subscription box. It comes all the way from Russia. I even have, it came in like an outer bag, and I've never actually done this. I've gotten a lot of these before, like customs bags. And this is what it came like. Isn't this amazing? I just think it's so incredible. So there's all, the kids thought this was so cool. They're like, why are there all those stamps? I'm like, because it came all the way from Russia. So I'm super, super excited for this one. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I do have a coupon code I'll put below for you guys. It's all caps, not a tree, if you're interested in trying it out. It's $34.90 a month, and then they do have reduced prices if you go a little longer. You can also do like a welcome kit for $29.90 to kind of give you an idea of what they're providing and things like that. I was really impressed because when you see the bag and you're like, oh, okay, I don't know what to expect. And then I pull out this gorgeous box and then I open it up and look at this. I just love it. Isn't it beautiful? So it says like, thanks for trying it out. Look at the card though. Look at the wrapping. I just think it's so pretty. This is unfortunately not going to be a tasting review because I just didn't plan ahead that far. I will link down below to my full review where I'll go in depth and we'll see everything if you're interested in that. I'm super pumped. Look at this. Darn it. Also, I hope this video comes out okay. I'm using the other side of my camera. Like, I flip my phone around because you guys know I use my phone. And I hope it comes out okay. I'm thinking the quality will be better. Maybe. Hopefully. All right, so first we have, this is 2018 FIFA, the soccer. I don't know if that's FIFA or FIFA. World Cup Russia roasted and salted peanuts. Look at the cute package. This is by far, I've gotten Russian boxes before. Things from Russia, I should say. This is the most nicely put together. Just looks really great. So there's that. Let me put that kind of things over here. All right, then we have, this looks like tea. Like lavender, maybe? I don't know. I'm guessing lavender tea, it looks like. And then this looks like another sort of tea. I hope I don't forget anything. Spring Melody Black Tea. This is from Greenfield. So there's that. Oh, I'm so excited to try all this stuff. This looks like that same little guy that's on this package. And that looks also like the sticker that was holding it all together. This is official licensed product. I don't know, what is this? I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. I'll have to open it up and look then, but interesting. It's like, sounds like it's little sprinkles or something, you know? All right, next we have, oh, this is a dipsticks. This is, I can feel like this stick is over here and then there's a dip. This is a strawberry flavor. It says, I did see, oh, no, there's a picture of a strawberry right there. And this same little guy, I don't know a lot about like soccer or anything. So this is probably, I'm guessing, their mascot. I know one of you guys will know and put it down below. So thank you in advance. All right, then we've got, awesome, look at this. This is Wonder Woman Jelly Bellies. Oh my gosh, superhero mix. They're like the glitter kind. Berry blue, blueberry, cream soda, sour lemon, berry cherry, and wild blackberry are all included in here. I don't know if I've ever seen these here. I have seen the glitter ones before with like licensed characters. But I've not seen Wonder Woman, so I don't know if maybe that's something that's just exclusive to Russia. And then we have, this is like a big interesting item. I think a lot of collectors were interested in this. This is a Russian Coca-Cola can. And it does have also the soccer ball, so I'm guessing this is also for the FIFA World Cup thing. I'm sorry, I don't know that much about sports, so I'm going off the seat of my pants there. But look at the Coke can, how cute. I don't drink soda, so maybe all Coke cans are like this now, but I don't think they are. Last time I checked, they were like what we call our normal, like a Red Bull can. All right, so that is really cool. I don't think I will drink this. I think I will save this. Just because I think it's just too cool. Like, it's just a cool item to have. All right, next up we have, I don't know, this is some sort of maybe a granola bar or nougat bar. Oh yeah, it's nougat with raspberry and peanuts. That sounds really good. I can't wait to try that. I can only have like a bite though, because you know, I'm dieting. Ooh, then we have a Kinder Egg. My kids love Kinder Eggs. And this one is in Russian, which is so neat. So if you're not familiar, these have like a little toy inside with little parts, and then there's a part with dipsticks, like pretzels and yogurt, I think, or and chocolate maybe, I don't know. All right, then we've got this, which is something. Maybe we open it up and see. There's the box. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I hope I have enough time on my camera. Oh, they're like little hard candies. Look at that. My cat's crawling around here. That's interesting. And I think they have more information on their site about what the products are. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to go look after this and see what I can find out. 2 of these 2018 FIFA World Cup hard candies. Looks like they're cherry or strawberry. A Bounty bar. Looks like this will be pineapple coconut flavored. It feels like chocolate. Not sure. Next we've got FIFA World Cup Russia. This is gum. Oh, and you guys know I love gum. I don't chew it on camera anymore because you don't like it. So a lot of you were like, I don't like when you chew gum. So it looks like it's mint flavored or maybe cinnamon. That is really cool though. Isn't that neat? All right, is this our last? No. Then we've got Heinz ketchup flavored sticks. Ooh, that looks interesting. Oh my goodness. This is fun. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try these. That looks crazy. And then we've got, oh my gosh, they're Snickers. They're Russian Snickers. This one has sunflower seeds. Oh, my box just fell. Look, this one has sunflower seeds. And then this one is just, I think, a regular. It's a mini Snickers. How crazy is this? What do you guys think of this box? How amazing is it that all these things, especially things that we're familiar with as Americans, like a Snickers bar, but like the Russian, their version, their interpretation, I guess. I think it's super exciting. I am going to link down below to my full review if you're interested in that. I just think all this stuff, there's so much in this box and it's so cool. My favorite Russian box ever. I will also link to Rutreat so you can check them out, and I'll also put my coupon code down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh my gosh, can I get that off, please?